Have you ever stopped to think about how hot dogs are actually made? Found at parties, quick meals, and the classic street hot dog, they are one of the most widely consumed processed foods in the world. Practical, affordable, and easy to prepare, they also spark curiosity and sometimes even suspicion. Today, you'll understand step by step how industrial hot dogs are produced, following international food safety standards and strict quality control systems. Some parts are technical, others might surprise you. Let's start with the basics. What goes into a hot dog? According to globally recognized food safety regulations, hot dogs can be made from beef, pork, poultry, or a combination of these meats. They may also include mechanically separated meat, natural animal fat, water, starch within regulated limits, seasonings, and approved additives such as preservatives, stabilizers, and antioxidants. These ingredients must comply with international safety frameworks like the Codex Alimentarius and control systems such as HACCP, which establish limits, traceability requirements, and microbiological standards. This means a hot dog is carefully formulated to deliver consistent texture, standardized flavor, and extended shelf life, all within defined technical parameters. Now let's move into the production stages. Everything begins with raw material selection. The meats arrive refrigerated and undergo strict sanitary inspection. Temperature, quality, and microbiological safety are verified before processing begins. Mechanically separated meat is produced through a controlled pressure process that removes meat remaining on bones after primary cuts. This method follows strict technical guidelines to ensure safety and quality. Next comes grinding. The meats are ground into a uniform mixture. During this phase, samples are tested to verify fat content, protein levels, and the absence of contamination. Production is continuously monitored. The most critical step is emulsification. The ground meat is transferred to a high-speed mixing machine that blends meat, ice or chilled water, salt, seasonings, and approved additives. Temperature control is essential to preserve protein structure and maintain stability. Within minutes, the mixture transforms into a smooth, homogeneous emulsion with a thick, consistent texture. This is what gives hot dogs their uniform appearance and bite. Once the emulsion is ready, the filling process begins. Industrial stuffing machines pump the mixture into natural or synthetic casings. Some casings are edible, while others are removed later. The equipment automatically portions and links each hot dog into identical sizes. Then comes cooking. The hot dogs pass through heated chambers where they are cooked and, in some cases, lightly smoked. This step sets their characteristic color and ensures the product is fully cooked before it reaches consumers. That's why hot dogs only need reheating before eating. After cooking, rapid cooling takes place. A thermal shock process quickly lowers the temperature, stopping the cooking cycle, preserving texture, and reducing microbiological risk. Next is final inspection. Electronic sensors and quality control personnel check shape, integrity, and visual consistency. Only units that meet specifications move forward to packaging. Packaging is fully automated, often using vacuum sealing. Labels must include ingredient lists, nutritional information, expiration dates, and batch identification, all in accordance with international labeling and traceability standards. But the big question remains, are hot dogs healthy? Like any ultra-processed food, hot dogs should be consumed in moderation. The additives used are regulated and have established safety limits. However, frequent consumption is not recommended as the foundation of a balanced diet. So why are they still so popular? Because they are convenient, affordable, versatile, and quick to prepare. Behind their simplicity lies advanced food engineering, industrial standardization, and strict sanitary control. In the end, hot dogs are a product of modern food technology designed for large-scale production. Now you know what happens behind the scenes of one of the world's most consumed foods. If you enjoy discovering how everyday products are made inside industrial facilities, stay tuned for the next video. See you next time.